What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys are new here, go ahead and subscribe because I'm posting daily content on my journey trading the stock market, specifically day trading. So anyways, guys, I want to say took a position today similar to how I explained yesterday, how I'm only going to focus on ascending uptrend channel patterns that are in the middle and top VWAP. Between those areas or trading between those two. And that's exactly what I did, and I implemented today basically to perfection, exactly the way I planned it out, and it worked out perfectly. So guys, this is just what I'm working with right now. Still paper trading, just getting my feet wet in terms of these kind of markets. So I want to say thank you so much for tuning in, and let's get straight into the charts. All right, welcome back, everybody. So today what I traded was JDST, which is a gold-based ETF. And like I said, if you guys watched the last video, I'm only focusing on trades that are in between the top VWAP and the bottom VWAP. And so I didn't trade much until I was waiting for the best opportunity, right? So I saw, what's that called? Well, first let me pull up /GC, which is the gold-based future. So I saw that it's down trading in between the bottom and top or middle VWAP. So therefore, that means that JDST, which is the opposite ETF of it, or the inverse, is uptrending. So go on JDST, and I see JDST's potentially at a support, or at the middle VWAP. So I put this mark right here. If it hit that mark, I was going to buy over there, but obviously it did not hit it. And I waited for confirmation. So that confirmation basically is I'm waiting for it to cross over that 9-day EMA. So that shows that it's starting to make higher highs, essentially, because it's been making lower lows, and I don't want to get caught in this lower low and have it keep going down. So I waited for confirmation, bought at about 47.40, 47.39, something like that. And after then, it just kept going up, kept going up, kept going up. Locked in profits about 47.80. Saw that the previous resistance over there, so I was like, I'm just gonna lock in profits at any previous resistance, because there's always a chance it could just, obviously it could keep going up, but there's a higher chance of it going down. So that's what I'm doing now, just being more conservative, doing more predictable trades, really. So that's what I looked for, at least what I'm looking for now. And as you can see, it kept going up, kept going up. So I think I took a 100 share position, so that equates to like, it was about like, it wasn't exactly 1%, it was like 97%, 0.97% gain. So obviously not a bad trade. I'm gonna still look for some more trades, but this is what I got going for now. So I want to say again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys are new here, go ahead and subscribe, and I'm going to be posting more daily content like this. If you guys want to hear something, or you want me to do anything else, just go and comment and what you want to hear or see in this channel. So again, guys, thank you so much, and don't forget, guys, secure the bag 19.